YouTube has proved to be a very powerful platform for new generation to fulfill their ambitions and become millionaire or earn a living for themselves by creating interesting content for audience. Forbes recently came out with the list of top 10 earning YouTube stars of 2020. And as the title says, on number 1 is a 9-year-old kid. You might be wondering PewDiePie must be on second or third spot, but wait. He is not even in top 10 list of Forbes. Hence this is going to be interesting. Before starting the list, let me tell you about the methodology used by Forbes to calculate earnings. All earnings estimates are from June 1, 2019 through June 1, 2020. Figures are pre-tax, fees for agents, managers and lawyers are not deducted. Earnings estimates are based on data from Captivate, Social Blade and Polestar, as well as interviews with industry insiders. For the list's purposes, Forbes defines a YouTube star as someone whose primary form of digital and media revenue comes from YouTube. On number 10 is Jeffree Star. The beauty star has been caught up in controversy. His self-described past racist behavior and allegations of sexual assault, which he denies, as well as a years-long feud with fellow YouTuber James Charles, have caused some business ramifications, including the decision by retailer Morph to stop selling his line. Regardless, he still clocked more than 500 million views in Forbes' one-year period. Even more lucrative than his YouTube channel, though, is his makeup line, which he sells direct to consumer. One of his most recent collections, Blood Money, features $52 eyeshadows and $18 lip balms, and his popular Conspiracy collection, launched last year, reportedly sold 1 million eyeshadow palettes in 30 minutes. Number 9 is David Dobrik. Over the past few years, Dobrik has done just about anything to make his audience laugh. He has driven a convertible through a car wash, shaved someone's entire body, and even once surprised his best friend by marrying his mom. She was in on the joke. They divorced, amicably, after a month. Lately, Dobrik has concentrated on porting his funny shtick over to TikTok. He's been a hit there, too, accumulating 24.7 million followers. Brands dig Dobrik's humor, and he's won corporate sponsorships from SeatGeek, Bumble, EA and others. His devoted audience has led to a thriving apparel business, shirts, hoodies, shorts, pants, much of it sold under an amusingly self-aware brand name, Clickbait. Number 8 is Steven John. The 32-year-old Steven John launched his channel in 2014. He stars as Blippi, the brightly dressed childlike character who educates through videos like Blippi visits the aquarium and learn colors with Blippi. Like Kaji, he has rolled out a full-scale merchandise line at big box retailers. Child-size versions of his iconic orange glasses and blue and orange beret are top sellers and offers his videos through Hulu and Amazon. Number 7 is Nastya. The 6-year-old Russian YouTuber goes by Nastya on her channel, which features her and her father playing with Legos, doing household chores and explaining viruses. The videos are colorful, expressive and don't feature much advanced language, making them perfect for her global audience of tots. Since her debut on the list last year, Nastya has branched out. She's become a popular kid on TikTok with 3 million followers and will launch her licensing program next year. Number 6 is Preston Arsment. The pixelated world of Minecraft continues to be a goldmine for Arsment, 26. He rose to YouTube stardom off his videos exploring the animated cosmos and has since branched out to several other gaming-focused YouTube channels. On one, he plays Roblox. Another is called TWRFrags, the acronym standing for the Best Never Rest the Last Word gaming slang for slaying an opponent. TWRFrags features his exploits on the violence-filled military shooter Call of Duty. Arsment operates several lucrative Minecraft servers where users pay to access Minecraft worlds he's created and for in-game items. He runs another YouTube channel, Preston Cosmic, devoted to his time playing on his servers. Number 5 is Markiplier. Markiplier has been at it on YouTube for 8 years, posting ultra-popular breakdowns of video games. They've drawn in nearly 28 million subscribers, eager to pore over his new videos and vast archive like, say, his 31-part series examining 2013's Cry of Fear. Over the past year, Markiplier decided to change things up, and in addition to his existing YouTube channel, he and fellow gamer Ethan Nestor founded a new channel, Unus Annus. On it, they featured funny stunts vlogs. They'd post a video every day for a year, then nuke the channel entirely, erasing all of its content, a comment about the fickle lifespan of internet popularity. Unus Annus was indeed popular, bringing in 4.5 million subscribers and nearly 1 billion views. When the time came to pull the plug last month, more than 1.5 million people tuned into a livestream as the duo bid goodbye, about roughly the same number who might ordinarily watch a primetime Sunday night baseball game on TV. Number 4 is Rhett and Link. They're some of YouTube's longest-standing stars, having started Good Mythical Morning, their good-natured, nerdy talk show, back in 2012. Rhett James and Charles Lincoln have recently added something else to their mythical entertainment company. In February 2019, they paid $10 million to acquire Smosh, a sketch comedy YouTube channel. With that purchase, Mythical Entertainment, which now has 100 employees, did almost 2 billion views on YouTube in the past year, bringing in some $11 million in estimated revenue from YouTube's ad share program. Good Mythical Morning also has a thriving fan club with monthly dues ranging from $10 to $20 for access to exclusive content. Number 3 is Dude Perfect. These 5 bros, Coby Cotton, Cory Cotton, Garret Hilbert, Cody Jones and Toney, have more fun playing with lightsabers, Nerf guns and paintballs than most adults do. Their popular stunts have led to a national tour that grossed about $6 million and an accompanying documentary, Backstage Pass. In March, when the coronavirus first hit and professional sports were at a standstill, the group took to their YouTube channel to host a quarantine classic, competing against each other in three-point basketball shootouts and roller chair hockey. The series of videos raised about $160,000 for the Red Cross and Feeding America. Number 2 is Mr. Beast. Donaldson is YouTube's biggest new star, good enough for almost 50 million subscribers, his ultimate goal. Doubling that and 3 billion views over the last year. His videos are a mix of stunts and humor. In the last 12 months, the dude has frozen himself in ice, gone around a Ferris wheel 1,000 times, and constructed the largest Lego tower ever. Donaldson's YouTube channel helps him market his merchandise line, and the cast in his videos all don it and is popular among brands such as Microsoft, Electronic Arts and Honey, the coupon app. On number 1 is Ryan Kaji. The 9-year-old star is flying high literally. This November he became the first YouTuber featured in the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade with a float based on his superhero alter ego. It was a marketing ploy as much as it was a thrilling moment for the kids who tune into Kaji's videos of science experiments, family storytime and reviews of new toys. That's just the start. The bulk of his business comes from licensing deals for more than 5,000 Ryan's World products, everything from bedroom decor and action figures to masks and walkie-talkies. These smart people inspires us to do more and give our best in our working fields. Who is your favorite YouTuber and why? Tell us in comment box. Have a beautiful day, and by the way, you can also subscribe the channel and like this video.